I'm Rachel Green and I'm cooking on my Everhot today, and I thought it might be really good to show you a Valentine hack for breakfast or brunch. So we're going to do heart-shaped eggs, and we're going to do it with, you know, the very trendy thing at the moment, smashed avocado, pinch of chili, absolutely delicious. You can either use a heart-shaped ring that you can grease really well, but we've actually got a heart-shaped silicone mold here, which is really good, very easy to get hold of. You can get them online. And we've got our lovely eggs. We've got some nice free-range eggs, and what we're going to do is pop our toast on the Everhot, on the hot plate bit, but on the simmering side of the hot plate. I'll show you in a minute. And I'm just going to just literally got some oil in there, a little bit of oil, a little bit of rapeseed oil actually, and I've just cracked my egg in there. Just really simple, but quite fun. So let's take this over. So here I've got my simmering plate, and this is the plate on the left-hand side that heats, and silicone, it'll be too hot for that side, so you want to do it nice and slowly. So I'm just going to pop it up there just to start cooking. Now we can put a pinch of salt on there in a minute, but also I've got my sourdough, so I'm going to pop that on there as well. Just really simple. And going back to what we've got here, we've got some smashed avocado. I've also got some nice little bits of fresh avocado, and I've got some of these really lovely sort of chili flakes, so they're not too hot. Just really nice, just gives it a sort of finish off really. So it takes about 5 minutes on top for the egg, but your toast won't take as long. I've used sourdough bread because again that gives it a nice sort of slightly sour taste with it. So I'm actually feeling really hungry, completely delicious. I'm hoping my son might do this for me. So we've got a nice duck egg blue plate there. I would suggest you probably warm your plate a little bit and then just pop it upstairs. Fantastic. Look, and it's keeping it in its nice heart shape as well. Just a little bit different from cutting out the heart-shaped piece in your bread and doing it. I quite like it this way for a change. So I'm going to take my toast off, put my toast on the plate. You can butter that if you want to, but with the avocado it's quite rich, so we can do that. I don't want to make the toast cold, so I've heated my plate, put my toast on, and I'm just going to get my egg across. There we go. So let us just have some of the avocado on here. And this is smashed avocado. Put a little tiny bit of lime juice in there and a little tiny bit of pepper and salt. You could use lemon juice if you don't have lime. It's not essential, but it's quite nice to do a little bit of something in there. It stops it going brown. You want plenty on there. I'm also going to just put a few bits of avocado on because I quite like to have that sort of chunkiness as well. Or you can just put the avocado around the plate, whatever you want to do. So let's just put a bit of avo on here as well. And again, I've cut this up a while ago actually and just put some lemon on it to save it from going off. So I'm going to get my knife out. I'm going to just pop this out. It's actually easy if you let them go a little bit colder. So I'm just going to just pop that on top in the heart shape. Doesn't matter if a little bit of avo sticks out. And then we're going to just put a tiny bit of pepper on top because that's nice. So you've got your salt on there already, you don't need that. And just be a little tiny bit of oil on there. You could always put another squeeze of lemon on if you want. And then just some either fresh chili or some chopped chili on there. Really, really nice. Delicious. So there we have our lovely smashed avocado with heart-shaped eggs. Happy Valentine's Day!